actually be a trucker.
Just asked me the other day if I could not work at all, and I said, sure. So,
These signs don't hold me, man. You don't seem happy about it.
Oh my god, pancakes make me
whatever
so
he wants
full.
to do, fine with me.
Mama, I can't eat anymore. The pancakes make me so full.
You make it fall. Okay. Daddy will eat them. I know he will.
Okay.
Here,
Oh, thank you, Rebecca.
you want some salt and pepper?
I got that. I want my pancakes.
Look, Laura, look how nice. We need drawers like that. We need a nice spicy drawer like that.
Oh, it's so great.
I did a house one time. This guy had a custom kitchen made. And
Oh my god, Anthony. Come on too fast, you put too much on. Oh,
holy shit.
those aren't good ones. Let's get different ones.
No, it's done now.
I know.
Um,
I'd have to spray some of them.
and he had these little holders for spices. He had 2 drawers full of spices. And well, he had the holders though. You could see everything, you know.
You must have liked to do a lot of cooking. Yeah.
You want to watch,
Salt and pepper.
Ina Garden?
Pepper, yeah.
Did you watch her, Rebecca?
Who's this?
Ina
Oh,
Garden?
I know, yeah.
She's got in her Hampton home, right next to where she cooks.
Andy, give me a
she's got those
paper.
Spice wraps. What do you do, Dan?
2 paper towels.
Did you get too much on there?
Say hi to
Yeah,
you.
you gotta throw these out, Rebecca. These things.
Hey Rebecca, say
Yeah,
hi to
those
you
are-
too.
You know where pack up those.
Hey Rebecca.
Something pack.
Hey Rebecca, say hi to you too.
Hi. Oh, you got me on YouTube?